Hello YouTube. Today I'm showing you the $200 excavator from Lego, and I would highly suggest you get this kit, but it's really jumpy and it's a fucking bitch to put together. You got to make sure you don't cross the U-joints. I must have built and rebuilt the arm like 4 or 5 times. I had to switch it myself because it was every time you'd lift it up it'd jerk and get all twitchy. But this is the remote control for it, and since this is a computer webcam, I gotta turn it down so you can see it. There it is. I really need to get a regular. This is it. And I mean, I like playing with it. That track goes forward. Whoops. Whoops. You can change direction. Make it go a different way. And then there's this little switch right here. You see it? It's moving back and forth. It switches it so it rotates. And then the arm. Oh, gotta switch it again. The arm goes down, up. Like I said, it's a really cool kit. You get a lot of decent pieces, a lot of gears. It's a pretty cool kit. Just I wouldn't suggest getting it just for this. I'd get it for the pieces. But that's this video. Hope you like it.